Hello everyone, welcome back to NAS Unboxing, and today we are going to introduce you the cost-effective 5 gigabit Ethernet NAS, the TVS x72N. So this NAS, the TVS x72N series, they are here to provide solution to those that are willing to have a 5 gigabit Ethernet NAS that follows the Wi-Fi 6 trends and add it to their network environment, and more so to enhance the storage and access the experience, as it is a NAS that is powered by an 8th generation Intel Core i3 processor. And also I want to mention that it is a high bandwidth performance of 5G base T, more so delivering 5 times the speed of a regular gigabit Ethernet for 4K video transfer and video editing. Also, I want to mention that the TVS x72N NAS does have M.2 SSD support, whereas we can enable SSD caching with a hybrid multi-cloud storage gateway, as we already talked about it, and create a hybrid cloud storage environment across cloud spaces. So let's go and check what is inside this box. Here we have the NAS from the front view. As we see, the main part is covered by the 6-bay, or by choice there is the 8-bay option, as well as on the upper part here we can see that we have the LCM screen and the LED status lights, while on the other end of the lower part you can see here it does come with a power button, one touch copy button, and a USB 3.1 slot. While looking at this NAS from the rear end, we can easily tell that QNAp does pay attention to the user experience and the flexibility, providing these two PCIe slots, underneath of which is the 4K HDMI port, followed by the 5G base T network port, 2 GLAN ports and 4 USB ports, which 3 of those are USB 3.1 to enhance the speed. So it also provides these 2 large fans on the side of the NAS. So focusing on these 2 generation 3 PCIe slots, QNAp does provide a choice of cards to expand its capacity, to expand the capacity of the TVS x72N NAS, such as the QM2 cards to install the M.2 SSDs on it, achieve a higher sequential speed. So yeah, if you're looking for a solution that doesn't need necessarily the 10 gigabit Ethernet environment and can deploy it easily into an existing one that has the Wi-Fi 6 trends, make use of the NAS itself and other devices that are built around the Cat5 cable standard, this would be the TVS X72 series. So this is NAS unboxing for today with the TVS x72N. And if you're looking for more information on this NAS and or other NASs, please visit the official website QNAp.com. So thank you, bye.